Daddy, look at that shark! It is humongous!
Wow! Are you enjoying this aquarium?
I love it! So many fish to see.
Hello everyone, how are you today? This is your new teacher Zara from Listen, Speak Academy. Welcome to the new Bobblehead series. Here, we aim for you to learn a new phrase or new word in 2 minutes, including speaking practice. Today we will look at the word humongous. It basically means the same as very big. But native English speakers preferred to use other vocabulary to give more highlight to the size. Native English speakers would prefer to use "it is humongous" or "it is gigantic" or "it is massive" or "it is ginormous." Now, it is your turn to try. Look at that shark! It is humongous! Let us listen to the conversation one more time, and you can try to repeat what they say. It is okay if you are in a place where you cannot speak out loud. In that case, it still helps if you try to say the sentence silently in your head.
Daddy, look at that shark! It is humongous! Daddy, look at that shark! It is humongous!
Wow! Are you enjoying this aquarium? Wow! Are you enjoying this aquarium?
I love it! So many fish to see. I love it! So many fish to see.
Thank you for liking Listen Speak Academy. We will continue to have our weekly 30-minute lessons very soon. For now, we will concentrate on introducing several more daily Bobblehead English short videos to you. Our mission is not to just make some cartoon videos for you to watch as entertainment TV. We concentrate on the shadowing and repeating exercises. Thank you for your support. Take care and see you soon!